world's resources are depleted, who will save us?
We will.
Emmett and Preston
Hotel.
Amira heating system.
Autumn S. Hospital greenhouse oxygen. And Gavin, water system.
Our mission to
Colonize Mars.
Hello, I'm Gavin, and this is my water source design. So, the way I thought of this water system was inspired by the International Space Station, which uses the toilets to flush your urine when you flush, and it sanitizes your urine, and that is your drinking water. And there will be these bathrooms, I guess, in the shelters and hospitals. So the way it works is if you go pee, once you flush, it will go through a pipe and it will filter out all the nasty bacteria, and it will go either straight to the sink or to the storage tank. And if you poop, it goes out a different pipe to the greenhouse to fertilize the plants.
The heating system needs no electricity because I made a power box, so we don't take all electricity in Mars and more around to other things. My heating system will go into hospitals and hotels and homes. How you work the heating system is the right knob controls the power of the fake fire. The left one controls the power of how hot it will get. It also has a chimney-like thing, and the three buttons in the middle are mostly just decorations. My heating system will help provide jobs for people on Mars because people will help build it. I also build it so most people can build it with instructions, which I will make. There's a chimney's a vent that goes through house walls like how it does on Earth.
We need a greenhouse for oxygen, and oxygen will be shared with the colony on Mars, and Gavin will use his water supply so that everyone has oxygen from the plants. We will all share oxygen that will be pumped into houses with pipes. All the water will come from Gavin's water supplies. We could have a sprinkler that would water all the plants in the greenhouse. Gavin will use the manure as fertilizer for the plants. The hospital will have 100 blankets in each room to keep people warm. There will be couches and additional plants in each room. Amira's heating system will heat up the hospital. We are going to grow food in my greenhouse with manure fertilizer. We can grow potatoes and tomatoes according to research. You can grow potatoes and tomatoes. The greenhouse is a dome because it traps sunlight, which will help grow the plants.
We made this hotel to fit lots of people and have little cost. It also has the fanciest sleeping bags that are good until minus 80 degrees. Our hotel is also super small, and our heaters that take no electricity keep occupants warm so they don't freeze. And you also get to have your very own shelf to keep your stuff in. Our rooms are very spacious with a 3x2 design that can hold 24 people in the whole hotel, but these rooms can hold 6 people at max. If you have a room on the upper floor, you can climb up our ladder that we have that is very safe. We have a very smart technology system that generates electricity. There's a spring system that helps turn on your lights. This is a super small hotel, but you can still fit many inside.
It is a movable and outside there's a movable and portable picnic area. We are starting with 20 hotels which will fit 480 people to start. We are planning to add hotels as more people come to Mars and need a home. The more people coming, the more people will have to help build the hotels. People have to help build the hotels so we can build quicker. Tubes connected to the greenhouse will supply oxygen for our beautiful human beings. We have one room is 7 feet in length, 3 feet tall, and in deepness 3 feet. So that the average adult and a very tall adult can sleep in it. Thank you.
Go.
In conclusion, thank you for your time today. Hope to see you on Mars.
Dancing.